Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Margot Robbie's red carpet look, the Barbie inspired one. So I'm going to remove everything except for the hair. I did use a VIP item for this. Select this hair and I just colored it this color, and then select this hair and only bangs same color. Position the X to 0.54, the Y to 2.59, scale to 0.31, and get this hair in that same color as well. Now for the outfit, it's pretty simple. You're just going to grab this top here in this color in glitter. Wait, did I do? Oh yeah, I did this one. And then we're going to do the gloves in no fur in black. And then for this skirt, I know it's not the same, but this is the closest we have. Select this color again in glitter. For the shoes, we're just going to go here and we're going to get these and we're just going to color in black. And then for the necklace, we're just going to use this code item here in like a silver glitter color here. Like this. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.